Hi everyone, welcome back to the next diecast. For today's video, I'll be unboxing this Dodge concept vehicle by Maisto. So I found this on Amazon, and despite being such an old model, it was actually on there. I found it it was about like $28 and free shipping, which I thought was a great deal. So here it is. I opened up the lid here. The seller really packed this nicely. All this extra kind of wrapping and stuff was in here, so we'll take all that out. There's the box as you can see, but look at all this. This is probably the most secure package I've ever gotten. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the box out. So all of this packaging was in the box. So that's really interesting. All right, well, here's the model. It's wrapped up in bubble wrap, so we'll go ahead and get that off next. All right, after a very intense battle with the bubble wrap and tape that was around this thing, I finally got it all off. So here's the model here. It's actually never been out of its box before. This is the Dodge concept vehicle. It used to be known as the Copperhead, but I think for copyright reasons, Dodge just renamed it as the concept vehicle. So yeah, this is a really cool looking model. You can see standard old Maisto box here with like the cardboard going down the center and the two plastic sides up here. It's got that cool Copperhead logo on the side there. Underneath, it's got a diagram of the model, as you can see here. Dodge concept vehicle. Let's go ahead and open up the box. All right, got the model out of the box here. It actually comes with this little catalog, it looks like, so that's really cool. I know some older Maistos came with this little kind of pamphlet in there. So it has some of their older models in there and stuff. That looks really cool. So this is the first time this has actually been opened, since the box on the side, it says 1297, so I assume that's when it was made, in December of 1997. Wow, this looks really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the straps next and then unscrew it from the base. All right, got the car off the base. Now next, just gotta remove these straps on here. All right, got the straps off and got it off the base, and here's our model, the Dodge concept vehicle. Looks really cool. Almost looks like a Hot Wheels car. They made a lot of concepts back in the 90s look kind of like Hot Wheels cars. This certainly is no exception. Of course, you get the opening hood, and the doors, and they're still very stiff too. And this trunk back here. All right, there's our model, the Dodge Copperhead, made by Maisto. Looking forward to doing a review on this. That'll be up soon after I upload this video, so you can look forward to that. Thanks for watching.